this is Hinu Sharma and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are doing well, and I would like to say thank you to everyone for showing so much love to my previous videos. In this video, I have shared the current scenario of girls hostel of Chandigarh University, that is Sukhna Hostel. So let's go. Here is the outer view of Sukhna Girls Hostel, which is near to the gate number 1. Block 9 is near to the hostel. There are two blocks in Sukhna Hostel, Sukhna A and Sukhna B. And this red building is Sukhna B and white building is Sukhna A. So let's enter into the hostel. Firstly, you need to sanitize your hands. Sanitization machine is here. Here is the reception area. If you want to go outside the hostel, then you need to put an entry into the entry register, which is managed by these guards. So here is a corridor area of a ground floor. In this hostel, fitness center is also available, which is currently closed because of lockdown. So here is a view of gym. Tuck shop is also there. If you want to buy any eatable or stationery thing, you can buy it from here. Washing and ironing services are also available here. There are two common rooms. One is for study and second one is for watching TV or for indoor games. Beauty salon is also here, which is closed because of lockdown. So all the services of beauty parlor is available in this salon. In every floor of the hostel, water coolers are there. In Sukhna Hostel, two types of rooms are available. One is with attached washroom and second one is with common washroom. So here is a 3-seater room with attached washroom. 3 beds are available here. And air cooler is also provided. This is the study area. So this room with attached washroom is mainly for international students and for faculties and for some old students. And 3 separate cupboards are provided to every candidate. And this is a balcony area. You can see the inner view of hostel from balcony. Wi-Fi services is also available in the hostel for 24 hours. So let's move towards the another type of the room, that is without washroom. So here is a view of the 4-seater room that is without washroom. You can use kettle to cook Maggi or to make soup, but if you are using induction, then wardens will put fine on you. So as I told you that there are some rooms that are without washroom, so here is a view of common washroom for all those candidates. In Sukhna Hostel there are 6 floors, and in every floor there are 3 halls of these common washrooms. As the pandemic time is going on, so proper medical checkup is done thrice in a week. So let's go to the mess. Before getting entered into the mess, you must need to sanitize your hands. So here is a view of mess. Total 3 mess are available in the Sukhna Hostel, and they provide good foods as like other hostel serves. Inside the Sukna hostel, one small playground is here. And here is a garden area of the Sukna hostel, which is so calm and peaceful. You can also see the beautiful view of Chandigarh University from the corridor. And if you are the students, then you can visit the campus till 6 p.m. Currently hostel is closed for the students because online mode of teaching is going on, but it is open for the faculties and for international students. So if you want to stay in the hostel, firstly you need to take the permission from your HOD, and you need to bring the RT-PCR reports along with you to take entry into the hostel. So this was all about the Sukna Girls Hostel. If you like this video and if you want to ask anything, if you have any query, then you can ask it in the comment box. Thanks for watching my video. If you are new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.